Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The National Museum of the American Indian is a testament to resilience and the enduring power of indigenous voices. Its curved limestone exterior mimics natural rock formations, signaling that this is no ordinary archive. Inside, it's a vibrant celebration of diverse cultures from across the hemisphere. This isn't just a look at the past, it's a powerful exploration of living traditions, sovereignty, and the deep spiritual connection between people and the land.
And the way it's corny, it's cartoonish, which is kind of a protective way to sort of not get. So underneath all those things, basically is about showing cultures with this very
Завоевать. Они более цивилизованные в том смысле, что
based a lot on Native American beliefs and rituals and things of that nature. It was powwows, it was dancing, costumes. I can remember feelings of maturity and courage and
I would think of Virginia, I would think of the early settlers, I would think of the indigenous people of our country.
Most of the Disney movie. A lot of good songs in that.
I girl, Indian.
And there's a painting of her in the Capitol. It's kind of cool. I don't know that much about her though.
Потом она вышла замуж, у нее была новость.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.